Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this awesome product from a company called BalBali. This is the BalBali Portable Electric Kettle. Yeah, this is not a thermos. It may look like it's just a thermos, but it's way more powerful than a thermos because this is an electric kettle. It will heat your water so quickly, anywhere from 120 to 212 degrees. Yep, that's the boiling point of water. This will boil water in this little kettle within 6 to 8 minutes. Faster if you're looking for a lower temperature, like for 120, 140 degrees. It has 9 preset temperatures from 120 to 212, so you select the temperature you want the water to get to, and then it starts doing its thing. Really awesome product. Let's talk really quick about what comes in the box. Inside of the box you get, of course, the kettle itself, and then you get the cord that plugs into the back of it, and that plugs into the wall to give it power. You also get this really nice, cool little carrying case that you can use to take it with you on the go. So very simple product, but really awesome, works great. Now the inside of this has a nice stainless steel interior, so that is great. Don't have to worry about your water being contaminated or anything. And it has this nice rubber seal around the top, so that even when you boil water, this allows steam to go through. There's this really cool membrane, and you see you've got these little holes in the top, so that when you're boiling water, steam is released without taking the cap off. The cap stays on, but the steam is able to be released through that membrane, which is just a really awesome design, that you can sit this there, put your water in, put the top on, plug it in, and let it go to work and heat your water to whatever temperature you desire and not have to worry about it. And when it's done, you have the option to put it to use right away, or just unplug it and take it with you on the go. This does dub as a thermos once the water is heated. It is insulated, and it will keep the hold the temperature for a while, so that if you want to boil your water or heat your water at home and then take it on the go with you, you can. But what's great about this is because it's so small and portable, you could easily take this and just throw this and the cord in the bag, and then when you get to work, plug this in at your desk and heat your own water at your desk. Which is really great. Now it's simple to operate. You've got these buttons here at the bottom, and then you've got this little display. Now if you hit boil, and then it immediately shows 212. That's what it's going to go to. It lets you know what it's going to go to. Then once it starts, you'll see that it shows the temperature that the water actually is. As the water is being heated and as the temperature is climbing, you see that. And it is fast. I did a time-lapse little demo video. You can see the time is ticking up as the water is heating and ticking up, and it's getting to those different temperatures. You can see what it is when it's about midway. And I actually started with cold water. I poured, because I wanted to use filtered water, so I poured filtered cold water from my refrigerator into this. So not even room temperature water. But it was able to get to that top temperature. As you can see, once you get to that end elapsed time and it reaches that boiling point, it was just, I believe it was just over 7 minutes, really fast. So it will boil water within 6 to 8 minutes. It will heat your water from 120 degrees up to 212, and if you're on the lower end, then even quicker than that. So great way to get water heated up to use for tea. You can use for coffee. You could use for oatmeal. Obviously, anything you want to use it for. Now, it is not recommended that you do those things inside of this. Use this to heat the water, but you want to pour this water into another cup, a mug, whatever, in order to mix in your coffee, heat your oatmeal, all that good stuff. This is not meant to be used as a serving device. This is meant to be used as a portable electric kettle to heat the water. And that's because, this is doing a lot of stuff, and if you're using this for coffee or you're using this for tea and grains and stuff are in there, then over time that, it could stain, even though it's stainless still, it could, the sedimentation in there, it could affect things, and you don't want to do that. Keep this just for the water, and then pour it into a thermos or a mug or cup or a bowl or whatever you're using when you're done. But as you can see, it works great. It's very simple. It's easy. When you're done, after you've poured the water out, then you just, put this somewhere, let it dry, and then you're ready to go to the next time. The fact that it can heat water so fast that it holds 12 fluid ounces of water, which is plenty of water for most purposes that you're going to use it for, and then you get the water to the temperature you need really quick, and then you're done and you're good to go. Really excellent product by BalBali. I love it. I love the fact that you can also take it with you, heat the water and then take it with you, and it will dub as a thermos to keep the water hot for you for a while if you need to do that. And just excellently made product. Very simple, but works really great if you're looking for something like this. If you need to heat water often and you're looking for a easy, quick, personal way to do that, way to do that doesn't take up a lot of space like those big, huge electric kettle pitchers do, then this personal, portable, electric kettle from BalBali is definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions about this product, just post them down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.